computer classes. If you're new or you're just getting started, this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you how to edit your pictures in your Microsoft Word. For example, if you want to edit a picture, you'll come to this section and insert your picture by clicking insert. Then here you'll click if you want to get it from your device, that is the computer, and if you want to generate an image, if you want to get it from stocked images or from the online. If it's from online, you'll just need to click here, then allow it or give it time to load, then you search the picture that you want to get. For example, if you want an animal, you can always come here, or any type of picture that you want. Let me click aeroplane. So once I click aeroplane, I'll just select from the list of the pictures that I have been given here. This one interests me, then click insert. So once I click insert, it's downloading from online, and here is my picture. So once my picture comes in, to remove this background, for example, if I don't want to get this background in my picture, I'll come to this section, picture format. Then once I click picture format, I'll click remove background. And as you can see, it has selected some of the spaces. So for example, if I don't want it to be cut from this section, I'll just mark the places that I don't want to be removed. Make sure my hand is not picking it straight. I'm trying my best. Those sections, don't want them to be cut. So you'll highlight all the sections that you don't want the image to cut the information from, then keep changes. So once you keep changes, everything that has been highlighted will be removed. Mine has not selected it right. So I'll repeat the process. And that is basically how you can remove your background in Microsoft Word. And the same happens with slides. For example, PowerPoint. So once I open my PowerPoint, I'll click like that, then remove the things that these selections that the text box is. Then come to this section, insert picture. Then, for example, let me pick from my device this time round. Let me see if I have any picture. For example, is this one? No. Let me get this one. Then I click insert. For example, I want to remove like this house at the back here. So I'll click the picture format, then remove background. So once I click remove background, it's taking some time, but I guess it's trying to erase the background. Let's give it some time. Removing 5 minutes limit. Let's see how it goes. I can see it's loading. I guess my internet is somehow slow, but we'll be patient enough. So, what's happening? Oh, it's working on it. Okay, let's give it time. I hope it won't disappoint us. It's taking too long. I'm getting impatient, but that is basically it. As you can see, it has removed the background. Then you click save. So once you click save, the picture will be saved for you. And that's basically it. Kindly consider subscribing if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next video. Bye.